comes Queen Jezebel. Here comes one Yojo. She's more than a woman. She's desperate, selfish woman. A woman without sympathy. A woman without woman sympathy. Queen Jezebel. Queen Jezebel. Heartless 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 when you're dealing with the heart, you don't put your she's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. She's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. Oh, hey, when you're dealing with the heart, you don't put your she's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. Nothing is hard for her to do. She's a master planner. No one crosses her lane. And go just free like that. Oh, you must pay the end. You must pay the end. 'Cause she's capable of anything. We just heartless Queen Jezebel. Heartless Queen Jezebel. Heartless Queen Jezebel. Heartless Queen Jezebel. When you're dealing with the heart, you don't put your she's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. She's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. Oh.
Nice one.
Yeah. Wow,
Like it?
I love it.
Thank you.
So, Now we're here. You said you wanted us to discuss something very important. So what could that be?
I'm gonna rush. And shut your eyes.
My eyes?
Don't worry, it won't take long. Just for a second. That's it.
Baby.
Come on, it's part of it. Why don't you just shut your eyes, eh?
Alright, my love. My eyes are shut.
Woman soul. Don't you dare open it.
No. My eyes are closed.
Now, open your eyes. Please marry me.
Baby.
Please, will you? Say yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Yes.
That's my girl.
Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my goodness.
You like it? You like it? That's my girl.
Oh my god. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine.
Very good?
Yeah, very fine.
That's my boy. Mother.
Tell me what I need to hear.
Guess what?
I'm not good at that.
She said yes to my proposal.
Thank you! Oh my word! Congratulations, son!
Thank you, Mother. Mother, you needed to see the excitement written all over her face.
Oh.
It was obvious she has been waiting for that moment.
Oh my word! You don't doubt me next time, will you?
I won't dare doubt you, Mother. It will be so disappointing and funny to hear that a mere maiden refused the prince's proposal. Yes, Mother. It will. We have beautiful maidens in this kingdom. Maidens that will run freely into my arms at the click of my fingers. Very beautiful maidens like that. Maidens who will see my proposal as prayer point answered. Why don't we choose from any of them?
Listen, son. You see that girl? She's the most suitable maiden for you. Her mom is British. Father, Nigeria. A suitable politician at that. She's raised in the UK, attending one of the most prestigious universities overseas. So you see, she's everything good. So you see, where do you intend to find a raging in a wife like her?
She, being a student of one of the most prestigious universities in the UK, makes her even more exposed. Yes. Besides, we don't even know each other. Something keeps telling me that that girl will have no value for my status as a prince of this kingdom. That is not a good one, mother. I am so confident of that. And if she refuses my proposal, I will not forgive myself as a prince, mother. I am royalty.
Jidenna Jidofo, there's something you refuse to realize about yourself. Oh, look at you. You are intelligent, smart, rich. She might be even waiting for your proposal. You're not just an ordinary village prince. You're well related. King in making of the Jogo kingdom. A rich prince. So tell me, who will refuse your proposal, marriage proposal, in her right senses? Show me that girl. Just point at that maiden.
You seem not to understand those girls bred abroad. Their mentality, the way they reason, is quite totally different from the ones you have here.
Will you start doubting me and shoot your shot already? Hmm?
Mother. Today is the happiest day of my life, Mother.
You know what? Your father must be proud of you anywhere he is. And your ancestors will be celebrating because you got yourself a bride. Worthy of royalty.
This calls for celebration, right?
And we're going to do that. So tell me, where is she at the moment?
Oh, well, she have a flight to catch up to Lagos tomorrow.
Okay.
Later on that same day, she'll be flying to the UK. So she asked me to drive her to the hotel. She needs to rest.
And you did?
Of course I did, Mother.
Oh my word, this is so gentlemanly of you. You've really grown.
Mother.
I'm so proud of you, son.
Thank you very much.
You know what? We are going to celebrate. We're having an in-house party. I'm going to tell the chef to make so many delicacies. We're inviting close family friends. We're going to eat merry because of this good news.
That's interesting.
This is a jackpot! Come on!
Thank God I've got a lot of drinks in the house, so that won't be a problem.
I'm calling them.
Thank God I got a lot of drinks at home, so that won't be a problem.
Where is that?
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy. Bring
My friend, welcome.
What is it? Ogenekwano.
Look at how you're hopelessly sleeping around the palace. Were you brought in here to sleep?
I was already done cooking now. I was tired. I decided to rest here. I didn't know when I slept off.
You didn't know when you slept off. Now listen to me. Listen and listen attentively. Hold your ears. The queen is expecting some guests, right? She said you should prepare some local dishes and intercontinental delicacies. Are you listening to me? I do not want any form of mistakes. Did you hear me? I'm talking to you as you're sleeping. Get going, get out of my sight. Silly guns.
Oh my goodness, baby. I'm just so happy. I'm so excited. You know why? Because the Prince of Ifejaku Kingdom has just proposed to me. He proposed to me, so I'm going to be the next queen of Ifejaku Kingdom. I'm super excited, you know.
I just hope this wasn't your attitude at the proposal ground. I just hope so.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
I mean the way you're excited. As if the prince proposing to you is a big deal.
Of course. Lucy, it's a big deal. You think it's easy for a prince to propose to you? Ah, it's not.
Really?
Yes.
Jane!
Oh my God.
Have you forgotten who you are? Have you? Do I need to remind you? Babe, come on. Come on. How can you be this excited and joyful just because one local prince from one local community or kingdom proposed to you? Babe, it should be the other way around. He is the one who is supposed to be this excited that you said yes to his proposal.
Really?
Yes!
Oh my goodness. Lucy, I know what's your problem because you've never been in love. Okay, let me make it very clear to you. Firstly, when I saw him, I fell in love with him. And now, I am not just excited that a prince proposed to me. I am only excited that the love of my life proposed to me. And you're telling me not to be excited. Come on, baby girl, you should be happy for me. I'm
Whichever way. He is the one that is supposed to be this excited. I still maintain my stance.
Oh, whatever. I know what your problem is, baby girl. But I am in love. I am getting married. I am obsessed, baby. I am. You will not understand because you've never been in love. Have you ever been in
I'll
love?
take that to be a compliment. Congratulations anyway.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
not like I'm not happy for you though, but I just feel somehow.
How?
I mean, the whole excitement, I don't seem to get it.
Oh, lady, baby girl. Have you ever been in love?
I hate you.
I love you. We need to pop some shit.
I don't even know what they are celebrating. But what I know is that I just saw people trooping into the palace and the chef preparing different meals at the same time.
So you want to tell me that you don't even know what they are celebrating and you're here eating rice and chicken?
Must I know the reason for the celebration before I enjoy this meal and the drinks that they gave us? Must I?
Madam, no. Oh yeah, now tell us, what are they celebrating?
Okay, oh. Today is the prince's birthday. That's what they are celebrating.
Liar. The prince's birthday is in June. I remember when he celebrated his birthday last year. It was June and not March. You're right. But if that is the case, what are they celebrating?
Are you asking me? Wait, oh, so you don't even know? And you're here talking. My dear, just close your mouth. We are all the same. Let's just enjoy this food and this drink in peace. Yes, Nyala.
Oh.
I mean, this chairs are bit too. I swear. Cheers. 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 More enjoyment. Actually, no one cheers. I mean, good job.
This food is very, very delicious. Oh. See, in my next generation, I'll continue to be a palace gate man.
This one don't get sense. Oh. So let it done like this. But let's go well.
I swear. Because you turn my brain, turn my brain.
No, why don't you talk for your gift? Why not carry your food to your gift?
This is my place. Go now.
Is everywhere cleared?
Yes, Your Majesty. The maids are coming.
Okay. The prince. He hasn't eaten anything. I observed him. He was busy drinking and dancing all night. Tell the chef to get something for him to eat in his chamber. Let her be quick with that.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good night.
Look at her sleeping again on duty. Shame on you.
Ugo, what is it now? Won't I rest? I single-handedly made all the local and continental dishes the queen asked me to make for her guests. Served everybody, washed all the dishes. This night again, you don't want me to rest. Get it home.
My friend, the queen said you should go and check up on the prince. He might be hungry.
No problem. Let me just go and serve his dinner. After that, Njela Rora. Oh, no one mother can but man no roibo. One mother can but mother no roibo.
Stand up there. Go and take what you are asking.
Let me take his dinner to him.
What is wrong with you, sir? Every time sleeping.
I brought your dinner.
Who are you again?
My prince, you're drunk.
How dare you?
That is Jesus. Sorry.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you call the prince of Ife Jaku drunk?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. What are you doing here?
I brought your dinner.
And who sent you?
Your mother, the queen.
My mother does not have the right to ask you to serve my food. I am the prince of this kingdom. I know what I want. I know when I want it. Understand?
Okay. No problem. Let me take it back.
Come here!
Sorry.
How dare you walk out of me?
I'm sorry, my prince. Hey, my prince.
Shh!
You're touching delicate part of my body, please. My prince, this is not you. My prince. My prince.
Listen to me. Huh? You have everything that the prince wants. You know what I'm talking about.
My prince. Shh. My prince, please. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. Ah! My prince. My prince. Jesus. My queen.
Mama, Olivia. Mama.
My queen.
What is going on here? And why are you crying?
Ugo came to me and said that you asked I serve the prince dinner. When I brought it, he said he's not interested. I wanted to take it and go. He grabbed me and forcefully raped me.
My son raped you?
Yes. Yes, he was drunk.
Listen, you have to go and clean up, okay? Just pick whatever that is yours, go to your quarter and clean up. Listen, on no account would you tell anyone that my son raped you. Do I make myself clear? Yes. Listen. Do not tell anyone what transpired between you and my son in his room. Not your ghost. Not your shadow. Not even your mother. Because if you do, I will find out. And if I do, I will strangle you with my bare hands. Leave. What have you done?
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, bring Jezebel.
Wakey, sleepyhead.
Bring Jezebel.
Hey, get up.
Bring Jezebel. Heartless we.
Lucy, what's the time?
6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh, is our luggage ready?
Yes. I woke up early.
Oh my goodness. I need to take my shower briefly so we can start leaving.
Okay. Is the prince still coming to take us to the airport?
The prince. The dude is high, you know. He was drunk last night while he was celebrating our engagement. You're really correct what you said. I called him on a video call and I saw that dude has already passed on. So I think you should just call the hotel taxi to come get us. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay, then
Just
shower.
yeah, hurry up. I'll call the taxi. He was drunk celebrating the engagement. That's nice to hear.
How could you? How could you descend so low as to rape a maid palace maid?
Mother, the fact that your son was drunk doesn't mean a thing to you. You know me too well. I wouldn't do a thing like that. I wasn't in my right senses. I was under the influence of alcohol,
No
Mother.
level of alcohol should have made you lose whom you are. Chito, for you are the prince. You are the king in making of this kingdom.
Nobody's above mistake, Mother.
Some mistakes are more costly. Costlier than life itself. And this particular mistake of yours is capable of denying you your father's throne if not properly handled. How could you? How could you sacrifice your destiny on the altar of 1 minute? 1 minute pleasure.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
Of course you should be. Have you thought about your bride-to-be? Have you ever pondered now that you're seated how she will react should she hear it? You'll be labeled a rapist.
Mother, we're in this together, aren't
I
we?
am not with you in this.
I need your help. I can't do this all alone. The maid has to be silenced. We need to keep our mouth shut forever. Mother, please.
Of course I'm in charge. I'll shut her mouth. But caution.
Here comes Queen Jezebel. Here comes one Joe. She's more than a woman. She's desperate, selfish woman. A woman without sympathy. A woman.
Mama, please don't be angry with me. Oh. I've noticed that for the past 3 days now, you've been feeling moody. If you're not crying, you're sobbing. If you're not sobbing, you're moody. You're no longer cheerful as you used to be. I suppose that something must be the cause of your unhappiness. Please, what is that? Is everything alright with your mother?
Thanks for your caring. My mother is fine.
Then what could be the cause of your unhappiness all the time?
Please. I would appreciate if you don't ask me this question again.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Still.
What am I doing this morning? I should start this
Has anyone noticed the chef recently?
Everything started after the house party. She has always been moody ever since. I know she overstressed herself that night, but what I want to know is behind her mood afterwards.
This can be. This is more serious than mere palace choice. There is something, but she's not disclosing.
Who knows? Might be a family issues, you know?
Yeah, maybe. That was why I went to ask her if her mother was fine.
And what did she say then?
Oh, she said her mother is fine. That I shouldn't bother asking again because she's not going to tell me.
Oh, alright. Thanks, well. I have to go to the please. Okay. We should continue.
Continue again.
Continue what?
We are behind you. Please, let's go. Okay?
Selfish woman. A woman without sympathy. A woman without woman sympathy. Jezebel.
Hello, babe. How you doing? How are your parents?
Everybody's fine. Mommy's fine. Daddy's fine. We're all doing well.
Now that you've graduated, aren't you considering coming back home to establish here?
Of course. Of course, baby. I'll be coming down to Nigeria, to be with my man and start raising our kids.
Okay. And so you can support me in being the next king of Ifejoko Kingdom?
Of course, baby. So when is our royal wedding?
Oh, soon. Sooner than you think, babe.
Soon?
Yeah.
Baby, you have to tell me, inform me on time, so I can make my own preparation.
You see, my mom and I were actually getting through with my late father's cabinets, and after that, we'll put that into consideration.
Okay, baby, I can't wait for that day to come to pass.
And I can't wait to get married to you, sweetheart. I love you.
I love you, baby.
Bye.
Get man! I'm going home. Going home. Open the gate.
I'm sorry. I can't.
Why?
I ate them. Cannot open this gate for you.
Today and tomorrow is my off day. Please open the gate. Let me go and see my mother. What is all this now?
Mama, I can only open this gate on Queen's command. Nobody even make me open this gate. Not even my village people.
So I have to go and tell the queen to tell you to open the gate before you open gates for me.
Maybe.
All of you are really beginning to take me for granted in this palace. So maybe because I'm a quiet person. You people are looking for my trouble.
You people are looking for my trouble. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? If like you don't know who is Etam, Ariam Bongo Yong Soro. Don't go and take permission from the queen. Come back and challenge Etam. Yeah.
Selfish woman, a woman without sympathy. A woman
Yes, come in.
without woman sympathy. Queen Jezebel.
Greetings, my queen. How may I help you? My queen, today and tomorrow are my off days. I wanted to go out, but the security man refused. He wouldn't let me go.
You want to go home?
Yes, I want to go home.
Well, I personally ordered the gate man not to allow you leave the palace in order to monitor your movement. We had a deal, have you forgotten? That no ear should hear what transpired between you and my son the other night.
Yes, my queen, but it's just my house that I'm going to. I'm not going any other place.
Or you're just telling me. I believe you're saying the truth.
I don't have any reason to lie to you, my queen. I just want to go and see my mother.
Well, you're just telling me, and I hope you are saying the truth. Remember,
thank you, my queen.
Remember, no ear should hear what happened. Else, I will kill you myself.
No problem, my queen. No one will hear. Not even my mother.
Not even your mother.
All right, my queen.
Atlas we Jezebel. Atlas we Jezebel. Atlas we Jezebel.
Yes, man.
Atlas we Jezebel. Atlas we Jezebel.
Okay, Your Majesty. I don't hear. Calm down. Calm down your temperature. You can't even tell me thank you. Now this kind of thing them they talk they give you and fun. She can't even tell me thank you. She feels saying her come and make me open this gate.
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel, Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel. Heartless Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel.
Hey, God, how can she tell me not to tell my mother this kind of thing? I'll tell my mother. Let me see if she's a witch, if she will be in the palace and hear when I'll be telling her. They go keep him. Mama, I was preserving my virginity because I know it is my pride. I want the first person that will have carnal knowledge of me to be my husband. That is my dignity as a woman. But Prince took advantage of me because he knows I'm nobody. He raped me. Raped me. He disvirgined me for nothing. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay, my daughter. He did it because we are nobody. He did it because he knows nobody will fight for us. Your mother is a nurse. I'm a nurse. And that outrightly makes you a nurse. But they are royalties. They are royalty. And that's why they decided to oppress you and oppress us like this. On you, on me. But do not worry. There is someone who is greater than all of them. He stays up there and oversees what happens here. He sees all the injustice. He sees all the wickedness. He sees all the ill-treatment meted on us. He's going to fight for the Mama. He's going to fight for the oppressed. Let me go. Stop crying. To worsen it all, the queen called me and said that I should not tell anybody about this, including you. How can I not tell my mother about such evil that was done to me? She even went ahead to threaten me that if I tell anybody, she will kill me. She did not even feel sorry for me. For what happened? I understand why she said what she said. She's afraid that we might open up to tell it to people. And you know what? We summon the courage to tell it to people. This thing they have done to you, we summon the courage to say it to people. So, and if the son is brought to swear to an oath or to plead guilty, you see that throne? He would never ascend that throne according to our culture and tradition. He would never ascend it. Then let's tell people now he needs to pay for what he has done to me. He needs to be punished. Please, we are going to allow God to take control. God knows it all. We cannot fight them. We cannot. God will tell the people. We'll tell the people. We'll tell the people.
Good morning. Oh, good morning, Ninem. You're already awake.
Yes, Mama.
As I telling you. Because Mosi, so be fast about it so that you can go to the village clinic and get me some drugs before you start going to the palace.
I'm not going to that palace again.
Why?
I'm not going there. I don't want to go there. That place gives me bad memories.
Come sit down.
Mama, but see, Mama, I cannot go back to that palace. Going back to that place reminds me of that horrible experience that night. I still cannot take my mind off it. You needed to have seen what that guy did to me that night. He devoured me like a vulture. I need to be in a place where I can, see if I will forget it a bit. Come now, hell, I need to heal small. Going back to that place will remind me of the whole incident again, to make me feel very terrible. I need time to heal.
In as much as I want to understand you, you will need to go back to that palace for your life and for our lives.
I don't understand what do you mean?
What I mean is that if you refuse to go back to that palace, the queen will think that you want to breach the agreement you had with her.
I had already broken the agreement. The agreement was for me not to tell anybody, but I've told you already.
Telling me is as good as keeping it to yourself. Will I tell anybody? Me? I can't quell that type of nonsense from my mouth. Oh, if you fell now, how can I say it? I'm not saying it to anyone. In fact, you did not tell me. I've not heard anything. I didn't hear anything. Pakam, you have it. Oh? But meanwhile, you have to prepare and go back to the palace and make the queen believe that you are still in the same boat. Because don't play with fire. Do not play with fire. And sweep this thing fast and go by the doors, then rush to the palace. Oh, no, don't even think about it. Don't say anything about it.
Who did I offend? Oh, you come back to your I'm not wrong. So much
Is Mama back yet from her 2 days off?
Not yet, Your Majesty.
Not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Inform me as soon as she returns. Tell her to come to my chambers and see me.
I will, Your Majesty.
Do not forget.
I will not forget, Your Majesty.
You may leave.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What bothers the queen?
The mess you brought upon us that needs to be cleared.
Why do you bother yourself over nothing?
You call losing the throne of your fathers nothing? You call carelessly handing your inheritance to a total stranger nothing? Really?
But nobody knows about it.
That's the point. Nobody knows about it. That's what we think. So we think. The royal chef left She left for her 2 days off. Today is the 3rd day. Check your wristwatch. It's past 12 noon, and she's nowhere to be found.
Are you in any way insinuating that she might have decided to quit her job and report me to the elders?
And you'll be made to prove yourself. You need to prove by swearing to clear yourself. You need to clear your innocence. I'm sure you're not ready to die now, or are you? We have to act fast.
The queen is worried about the chef absence today.
Why is she not work today? How can she fail to resume work today of all days? Who will do the cooking in Paris?
Hey, Kwaka, you and I know very much well that it has nothing to do with the cooking in the palace. A lot of maids here can handle that, and employing another chef won't cost the queen any minute. So, what are you insinuating? Listen. Something deep is going on in this palace, and we are oblivious of it.
Something like it. Something like the reason the chef was moody for days before she left the palace, always crying.
Yeah, you're right. You get the point. The question is, what exactly is happening? Whatever it is, must be dead serious. You get it.
And whose turn is it to mop the outer chamber of the palace this week?
Hi.
And what the hell are you still doing there?
But I thought you said...
You thought what? Will you get to work? And both of you, what are you still doing there? Get up there and get busy with your life. Get useful with your life. Instead of stand here and gossip. Busybodies.
Mama, no.
Mama,
Mama.
are you still here?
Yes, Mama. I want to cook beans and plantain for us for dinner.
I thought we agreed that you are going back to the palace this morning.
Mama, I changed my mind when you left.
Hey, no now. Mama, why are you doing this to us? Why are you putting our lives in danger?
How?
What I mean is that you want to waste us just like that. The queen will come for us if you don't go back to that palace. She will. Listen, I am your mother. What I see sitting down here, even if you climb the highest Iroko tree, you will never see it. You will not.
Mama, I don't feel like going back to that palace. That's why immediately you left, I changed my mind. I don't feel safe there any longer. I feel safe here. I don't feel safe around the queen and her son. I don't feel safe around the queen and her son. Going there is like endangering my life.
There you go wrong. The danger is in you running away from them. You don't know that when you go close to them, they will believe that their secrets are safe with you. You don't understand? Please, you have to go back to that palace.
Oh, Mama, if I'm never going to go back to that palace, it's because of you.
Okay, do it for your mother. Oh, do it for me. But tomorrow, you are going back to the palace to work. Okay?
Who did I offend? Oh, yeah, come back to room, oh, I'm not wrong. So, watch your ramo,
No. I can't take chances. Never. I will let her know that before Abraham, Jesus was. Yes. Jide Najito for my son truly messed up. But I won't be alive. I won't be alive and watch his mistake cost us the throne of his fathers. Never. If that poor wretched witch thinks she's smart, then I will show her that I am smarter than her little brains. Yes, I am. I am.
Selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel.
Terrible dream. No, it's just a dream. Calm down.
Mama,
calm down.
It was so
just
real. One boy was just pursuing me. He was pursuing me. He finally caught me and shot at me.
God forbid. Hey, God forbid. This can never happen. Nobody's going to shoot my daughter. What? Don't worry. Calm down. It's just a dream.
I cover us with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
Amen.
Jesus. God is protecting us always. Nothing will happen to us. We go. Let's go inside. Oh? Let's go inside so you can sleep there. You will not come back.
Your sins can be covered forever, forever. Your evil can be covered forever, forever. If I believe it, it's a key, your sins can be covered forever, forever. This year wickedness can be covered forever, forever. If I believe it, it's a key, the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked. One day your sins will find you. Jidagi Pochiko, it may take time, but it must surely come to pass. It may take time, but it must surely come to pass. One day your sins will find you. Jidagi Pochiko, it may take time, but it must surely come to pass. You beat always find his way back to us, whether good or bad. He that fetches firewood full with art.
Your Majesty, the chef is back.
When?
As soon as he drove out of the palace, Your Majesty.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay. Tell her to come see me at my chambers.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Coming!
Greetings, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my humble home.
When were you supposed to resume work?
I'm really so sorry, my queen. The truth is, I'm supposed to resume work yesterday, but my mother fell ill and there was nobody to take care of her. I had to quickly take her to the village clinic. But now that she's a bit stable and she can stay by herself, I decided to come work. You know, I've never behaved like this. I'm sorry.
Why do I feel that you are not telling the truth?
My queen, I'm saying the truth. You can make inquiries.
I am feeling that your refusal to resume work yesterday was as a result of what I warned you never to mention to anyone, and you told your mother about it. Am I right?
No. I did not tell my mother about it.
Are you saying the truth?
Yes, my queen. I'm saying the truth. Thank you.
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel, Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel.
Mission aborted. Target captured.
Heartless Queen Jezebel. Heartless Queen Jezebel.
So what happened? Why didn't you resume work yesterday?
My dear, my mother was sick, so I needed to be certain she's stable enough to be on her own before coming back.
Well, everyone was worried though.
Worried about what?
Worried about the fact that before you left, you were acting all strange, feeling moody, crying out randomly. So we thought that you were never coming back. That whatever was making you cry had kept you from coming back.
Not at all. Far from that.
So what was that you were crying about?
You know you're my friend in this palace. If you value our friendship, don't ask me this question again.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, no problem. You've eaten your own food, Abby.
Yes.
I'm done cleaning.
Okay.
I'm washing. I think I should have my shower.
And let me go and do another thing.
Alright.
Your sins can be covered forever.
That's exactly what.
Hello, son.
Hold on, babe. I'll call back, okay? My mother is here. Let me attend to her. Yes, good morning, mother.
How are you?
I'm fine, as you can see. You?
Very well. The royal cabinet sent 2 delegates. I already know why they are here.
Okay.
Tell me, when are we going to pay her bride price officially?
Whenever you deem it fit. Yeah, she's ready. She's done with school. So when you choose a date, you tell me. I'll tell her to tell her parents.
Are you sure?
Sure, mother.
Okay. Tell them exactly 1 month from today.
Okay.
1 month.
No problem.
Let me go sit with them.
Okay.
Yeah. Take care.
Okay. Hello, babe.
Long live the queen.
Please sit. Welcome the cabinet members of Ifejoko Kingdom.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I urge you to go straight to the point. Tell me the reason you're here.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings to you, Ichin Nadozian.
After a long deliberation of your late husband's cabinet, we were sent to come and inquire from the queen when her son, the priest of this kingdom, will introduce his bride to us so that we can proceed the royal wedding come the coronation of our next king.
1 month. 1 month from now, I will present to you the queen, the next queen of Ifejoko Kingdom. I've not been idle. I know the do's and don'ts of Ifejoko Kingdom. I know that as soon as the mourning of the late king is over, the next is coronation. So I have been walking behind closed doors. Relax.
My queen, I must commend your doggedness in running the day-to-day activities of this palace. Truly, you are indeed a queen mother. We have received your message. We will return back to the cabinet and relate to them.
Go to Agodi.
No. That should be after the chef and the maids have given you treats.
Oh.
It must be done.
Yes,
They are here. There they are.
Here she comes. The queen of the making of Ifejoko Kingdom. You're welcome, sweetheart.
Thank you, my love.
I was the journey.
Very successful.
Hello, daughter.
Mommy.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, Prince.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, Mommy.
Good afternoon. How was your trip?
Very successful.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Very well. You're welcome. Oh, please, inside. Can we get inside first?
Of course.
Ah,
Yeah, you look so stunning, sweetheart.
thank you, baby.
Oh my God.
So, my dear, how are your parents?
Mom is fine. Dad also is good. You know, they came back 3 days ago. But at the moment, they are all at Daddy's country home.
Oh.
Getting ready for my prince to come and pay my bride price.
Good to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, good to hear. That's nice.
Okay, there you go,
I
Mom.
miss Nigerian
That's it.
food.
Yes, yeah.
Sweetheart, there you go.
Oh, thank you.
For you?
It's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. I'll have yours for now.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's a good life.
It's a good life. It's a good life. I wouldn't mind. There's some best girls. I want more of it. Yeah. Do you like the wine?
I like it.
Good. What?
Is she okay?
Never mind.
Baby, are you sure she's okay?
Yes, she will be.
It's fine. I can help with the dishes.
Okay, if you say so.
She's more than a woman. She's desperate, selfish woman. A woman without sympathy. A woman without woman sympathy. Queen Jezebel. Queen Jezebel. Heartless 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 Queen Jezebel. When you're dealing with her, she the butchegi. I'm the one that cook on the baby one. She's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. She's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. Oh, maga 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 hey, maga 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 hey, maga 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 hey, maga 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 hey. When you're dealing with her, she the butchegi. I'm the one that cook on the baby one.
I'm taking Jane to the hotel. I'll be right back.
Isn't she going to her parents' house today?
Oh, no, she isn't. Actually, we agreed to stay together today at the hotel. We will spend some time today, and tomorrow she'll be going to meet her parents.
All right.
She is waiting for you to say goodbye.
Goodbye to her then.
Mother, just like that.
Oh, come on.
Why don't you come and say goodbye to her?
For I have a lot on my head. Saying goodbye to her is in the list of my worries. Please, just...
Mother, is there a problem?
Not that I can't handle. Trust me. Just take care of your brother. Go to the hotel and have fun.
I say so. I'll be right back.
If you run out of cash.
No problem.
Alright.
That's my mother. Alright. I'll see you.
Yeah. Be careful.
Sure.
Your sins can be covered forever. Forever. Your evil can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe it, it's your sins can be covered forever. Forever. This year wickedness can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe it, it's
Alright, sweetheart.
Shall we?
Babe? What about mom? I told you I needed to inform her that we're leaving. That's gutsy, you know.
Yeah, I know, but there will be no need for that. I told her already. She knows, so shall we? Let's go.
I don't get that. What do you mean?
The point I'm trying to make is mother is upstairs. She's quite busy. She can't come down right now.
Babe, courtesy demands that I inform her before leaving. Inni? Yeah.
Honey, why are you so bothered about seeing my mother before you leave? Come on, we're good like that, okay? Shall we?
You know what, babe? It's fine. He already said he has informed his mother that we are leaving. I think it's the same thing. Let's go.
Really?
It's fine.
Yeah,
Really.
Can you get your own bag? So walk to the car. Oh, wow. I hope you guys found interesting what you saw at the palace.
Of course, yes. They had fun.
Sweetheart, I hope you do too.
Okay.
Come on, sweetheart. Come on, what's wrong? Today doesn't call for this, okay? It's been 2 months. 2 good months you haven't seen your husband to be. And now you're saying me you're wearing a frown? It's not right, okay? We should be having fun, excess fun. We should be laughing. We should be playing together. Okay?
I just said I'm fine, babe. I'm okay.
I don't think so. No, you're not fine. I can tell from the frown on your face.
Babe, I just told you I'm fine. I'm okay.
It's okay if you say so. Come on, smile.
Joel.
That's my girl.
Oh my god.
Now you're doing just that.
I know.
It makes you more prettier. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Yeah.
Prince.
Yep.
Thank you for the treat at the palace. I had fun.
Oh, glad you have fun.
Yeah.
You ain't seen nothing yet. Wait. Yes.
I miss Nigeria though.
You should. This is your motherland, you know? The cradle of civilization.
I miss you too, baby.
I miss it too, sweetheart.
I'm asking you the last time. What is wrong with you?
My queen, I think I'm having malaria. I'm running temperature.
When last did you see your monthly flow?
Eh?
You heard me.
I've not seen it this month, oh. I don't know why it's delaying.
What? Tell me. Apart from my son, who else has had carnal knowledge of you?
I swear with the gods of our land, though, before and after your son, nobody has ever had carnal knowledge of him.
Are you saying you were a virgin before the rape?
Yes, my queen.
Are you telling the truth?
Yes, my queen.
Lucy, I can't really place it, but something in me tells me that the Queen is behaving and acting strange. Yeah, I have this feeling.
Yeah, you may be right. You may be right.
No, it's not I may be right. I am right. There is something I can't really place it. Didn't you notice? If you were a little observant, you would have noticed immediately the maid, the chef, acted ridiculously. Her mood just changed.
Oh yeah, I noticed. Yes! Babe, you're right, I noticed. Oh.
Even all the while I was playing with the prince, cracking jokes and all, she didn't even smile or pay attention to what we're doing.
Exactly. I mean, she just stopped talking to everyone. No smiles, no conversations of any sort. And then she just walked out. Woo! I noticed.
And to clear my curiosity, when we wanted to leave, I made it very clear that I wanted to see her. Unlike her, she wanted to see me. But she refused. She refused to see me. I even sent the prince to her. And she told the prince that she's busy. How can she say she's busy to see me? The future queen?
Whoa.
I just hope it has nothing to do with me.
How?
Yeah, obviously she wanted me to serve the food. Immediately the chef left.
Of course not. Because I already did. I mean, I served the food, so...
No, you're not the bride. I am the bride. Yeah, probably she feels I can't do any domestic chores or something. That's what I feel.
Babe, you know what I think? I think this has nothing to do with you, but everything to do with the chef. Yes, that's what I think.
Amy?
Mm-hmm.
I pray so. If it's the chef, then that's fine. I don't know how I feel, but...
You have to relax. This has nothing to do with you. I'm sure of that.
What could be troubling my mother like this? I wonder why she has refused to open up to me. Whatever it might be must be very serious. My mother is strong and brave. For this issue to get a better part of her means that the issue is dead serious. Why is she not opening up to me? Or whatever it is. I just hope it has nothing to do with my marriage to Jane. Because as it stands now, there is no going back. Nothing will stop me from marrying her.
I just hope it is not it. I just hope you are not pregnant, Wama. You can't be pregnant. No. Not now. Not even tomorrow. I just hope it is malaria as you have said. In fact, it has got to be malaria. Yes, it is malaria. You are not pregnant. You can't be pregnant. No. Not now, not now.
Selfish woman, a woman without sympathy. A woman without woman sympathy.
What is wrong with me? I don't understand my body system today at all. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Your Highness, the result is positive.
Positive?
Yes, Your Highness.
Are you sure there's no mix-up anywhere?
Not at all, Your Highness. I personally handled the sample myself. And I did the lab test too. No other person was involved. I had to be very careful since it was coming from me.
All right. You may leave.
Thank you, Your Highness. Greetings, Highness.
Yeah, greetings. Mother. Why was it not here? Are you sure you're fine?
Yes. I'm okay.
And whose lab results are you holding in your hands?
Oh, never mind.
Mother. Why? Why are you hiding this from me?
It's something I can handle. Excuse me.
Your sins can be covered forever, forever. Your evil can be covered forever, forever. If I believe it, your sins can be covered forever, forever. This year wickedness.
Mama. Yes, my queen. I like you. I like you. Thank you. Thank you so much, my queen. I'm honored.
I like the fact that your meal has been the most sweet, well-prepared delicacy I've ever tasted. And that made me to have a special spot for you.
I'm humbled, my queen. Thank you so much. I'm always here to make your favorite.
But I just hope that you will make me do what I am not supposed to do.
I don't understand, my queen.
Well, listen. Because of the rain, the lab result confirmed that you are a few weeks pregnant for my son.
Jesus! If one more.
Calm down. Be careful. Well, listen, you can only get lost when you fail to abide by my directives. It's very simple, and I'll make it very easy for you. This is a royal blood, and it can never be raised out of the palace. You're not royalty. You're just a chef that came from the quarters. And my son cannot settle for you. I don't want the bride to hear anything about this rape. I wouldn't want a situation whereby my son will be labeled a rapist. So I want you to terminate the pregnancy.
Your Majesty.
See, this is a royal blood.
Mama, there's something you need to know. You are going to that palace, a virgin, right? Don't you ever go there to open your legs to any man. If you try to open your legs to those useless palace guards and they break your virginity, I'll probably get you pregnant. Be rest assured that you are going to get married to a palace guard. And I know that's not what you want for yourself, right? The reason I'm telling you this is because in our lineage, no one commits any abortion of any sort. Because anyone who tries it dies instantly. There's no two ways about it. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I repeat myself? Good. I trust you. I know what you're doing.
Please go and sleep.
Yes.
Your Majesty, I am sorry. Please, I beg you in the name of God, I cannot have an abortion. Can't.
Are you trying to disobey my orders?
No, far from it. My mother told me that my lineage cannot have an abortion, that whoever that tries it dies instantly. They don't make it out alive. That's the problem.
Listen, this is not that kind of abortion. No, the pregnancy is too tender. No. All you need to do is to take the pill I shall provide for you. Go to your room, stay indoors the whole day, and your menstrual flow will be forced to come out. It's very simple, and you get it.
My queen, your Majesty, please. I am sorry for everything. No, please, let me just go. Let me quietly pack my things and leave the palace. I promise you, nobody will know that my baby is a royal blood. I'll not even tell them Prince is irresponsible. But let me just go with the baby and have the baby. I don't want to die young. Please. I promise you I will keep it to myself. Nobody will hear that your son impregnated me. Please. Please, I am begging. Please, my queen. I am begging. Please. My mother said anyone that tries it will die. Please. Please. Have mercy on me. Please, I promise you, the baby will not even know the father. How dare the baby, the father is dead. Please, please.
Get up. You've not mentioned this to anybody, right?
I've not.
Good. Go to your room. Pack your things. Leave.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my queen.
No, you don't have to.
Thank you, my queen. I appreciate you. God will keep you safe. Thank you for your understanding.
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel.
Yes, ma'am. Come on, please.
Open gates for me.
I cannot.
Why?
I cannot open this gate for you until the queen give me order.
Her Majesty said I should go.
Proof? Yes. You have to prove because the queen has not called me. And I cannot open the gate for you.
You are always looking for my trouble. I'm not in that mood. At the count of 3, if you don't open this gate. 1, 2.
Calm down. Don't open the door. Don't count the 3. You are just always very, very harsh. Let me call the queen. Since you don't have the proof, let me look for the proof by myself. She's not picking. Put a smile on your face so that she will pick. Let me smile for you. Hello, Your Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty, Mama want to go. Adela says she cannot go until I hear from you. She can't shout for security. Ah, okay. Thank you, Your Majesty. Done. Calm down. You don't push them like that. I am a security in this place. You have to obey the fact. I hate that church. See, as Mama goes, they do something. No, even they respect my office, they have the security.
Okada! Okada!
Succeeded in trailing her to her home, Your Majesty. In less than 3 days, you will hear from me. Trust me.
Good. I'll be waiting then.
Your sins can be covered forever, forever. Your evil can be covered.
Every obstacle must be removed.
Yes, your sins can be covered forever.
Hey, Mama. You are pregnant?
Yes.
Hey! Alo emenum. Mama, my only daughter.
Mama, why are you talking like this? You know how it happened.
That's not the point. That's not the point. The queen will not allow this thing inside your tummy to live because it is a taboo to raise a royal blood outside the palace. Hey!
Mama, I don't understand. How do you mean?
The queen will go to any length to make sure she terminates this pregnancy. Even if it entails taking your life, that woman will terminate this pregnancy.
God forbid, Mama. Mama, you remember the dream I told you? You remember that dream I had, that bad dream?
Yes.
When I was about entering the bike, I noticed that somebody was trailing me. I looked. I saw the person's face, the exact face I saw in that dream. Hey! But all of a sudden, I did not see the person again.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
You know, since that time I had that dream, the incident has not left my mind. I've been worried.
Mama, our lives are in danger. Mama,
what are we going to do?
Mama, do I know? Mama, I don't know. Hey!
Okay, police.
Police! Onyena, police!
Mama, you're here sleeping. Mama? Mama? Somebody's trying to forcefully open our door. Let's go to the back.
For the Lord is with us.
Let's go inside. He has gone.
We are not going back into that house.
Are we going to sleep here?
It is better to stay alive outside than to go inside to die. We are not going there. See, that boy will definitely come back. I'm sure he will come back.
Oh God, what if rain falls?
It's not going to rain. Even if it rains, it's even better for us to get wet here and stay alive than to go inside to die. If we stay outside here, we are going to be more careful and awake.
God, please preserve us from those that want to kill us for no reason.
Amen.
Our lives are in your hand.
Amen.
My God.
What will I do now? We are not spending one more night in this house. This house is no longer safe.
The question is, where do we go from here? Eh?
We are going to go to my place, Umuosu. That's where I come from. I'm not actually proud of my nativity, but as it is now, we don't have any choice.
Hey!
My love.
Baby.
I really can't wait to come with my people, to see your people, so I can do all the necessary traditional rites to make you my wife.
Ah, baby, that's very good.
Thank you, baby.
And you know I'm always ready for you.
Yes, you know I love you so much. And
I love you too.
thank you, baby. One of these days I want to go with you to see my father, so he can as well give you some fatherly blessings. Then we can proceed from there.
That's nice. I think it's a nice idea.
So I don't know, how would this weekend be like for you? How is your schedule? Will you be less busy?
No, baby, don't worry about me.
Really?
Yes, as long as you're ready, I'm ready for you too.
Oh, thank you very much.
I've been
Love
waiting
you so
for this
much.
day, baby. Thank you. I love you too. Baby.
Papa.
Good day.
Papa, good afternoon.
How are you? No.
Thank you, Papa.
Please sit.
Well, I can see you are enjoying your magazine.
No, please sit down.
Thank you.
My son.
Papa.
My son, I see you have my kind of eye. She's very beautiful.
Papa, thank you, Papa. Carry I go market. Thank you.
So,
Thank you, Papa.
No. So, what do you do for a living?
Papa, I'm a caterer.
Wow, cool.
Yes.
Wow. That's good. How are your parents?
Papa, my mother is late, but my father is still alive.
So, where is he now? What does he do?
My father is a farmer. He's in our village, Papa.
So, where are you from?
Papa, I'm from Umosu.
Umogene.
Umosu, Papa.
Hey! Chukwaju. Pufiakwa.
Papa, what's the problem?
Hey! Nah, come.
Papa, what's the problem? Just give me a second. Just relax.
You cannot marry her, cannot marry her.
But why, Papa?
She is an outcast. Did you hear the name of her village?
Papa, I thought they no longer refer people as Osu. Besides, the Osu system has long been banished by
Forget about the white man and his church dogma. Our tradition still remains effective. And it doesn't matter how long they try to change it. You are a freeborn. And as a freeborn, you are not supposed to have anything to do with an Osu. Listen, let me warn you. If you have anything to do with an Osu, when the repercussions start coming, do not call me because I will not answer you. This meeting is over. Meanwhile, get that thing out of my compound.
Papa, as it stands, she's pregnant for me.
Eh?
Yes, Papa, she's carrying my child.
Fufiakwa, God forbid.
No, that's what I want you to understand.
Neither she nor her customer will come into this home. I have warned you.
Let's leave this place.
Baby, what did he say to you?
Don't worry, I want us to leave this village immediately. Come.
Is everything alright?
No problem. You don't have anything to worry about. Let's go.
What nonsense? The first time you want to find a wife is an Osu you brought here to contaminate my family. Rubbish. Is that what I taught you? I brought you up well. Nonsense.
Thank God you are here. Listen, let me tell you the truth. I can no longer continue with this marriage plan or whatever you think it is anymore. Okay?
Baby, why? No, baby, you can't do this to me. Look at me, baby. I'm pregnant for you. And you can't leave me at this stage of our relationship.
Neddy, does it look like I'm joking? Listen, I cannot entangle myself my family and my reputation with the negativity and all the cause that is associated with you and your family. So this has to end.
Joe, please. You can't do this to me. If you truly love me, I think it's now that you have to show me the love. Don't do this to me, please.
Hold it there. I am not doing anything to you. Your origin already did that to you. What's it you can't understand? I cannot is I cannot, period.
Baby, please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Joe, what about the unborn child? Please, Joe, you can't do this to me. I'm begging you.
You are not understanding me. Please, I can't associate myself with this cause and this negativity that has to do with you, your family, and your entire people.
Baby, please.
Don't baby me, hey! Leave me. It's okay.
Baby, please. Joe, please, you can't do this to me. Oh my God. No.
I am not so proud of my place. I am not. But you know what they say? Safety first. We have to live here till then. Maybe later we relocate to another village. But for now, for safety reasons, we have to go there. We have to go there.
Alright, Mama. Alright.
You know what? Go inside. Pack as much clothes and utensils as you can. So that we start going. Because
Okay, let me pack those ones I washed at the backyard.
Let me. Okay. Please be fast.
Mama, is that you?
One man, who are you speaking with? Huh? One man. One man. I don't know. Are you done? Huh? It's okay, right?
My daughter was with me. My daughter was with me a moment ago. Mama! 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 Where's Mama? Mama! Chibo! Mama! Chibo! Where's Mama? Mama, where? Mama, where are you? Mama, please! Mama! Chibo! Chibo, please! Shut up, Chibo!
Tell me what I want to hear.
The target is now, Your Majesty.
Not just down. I need a target. Buried. Alive.
Oh, sure, I've done that already, my queen.
Good. Nice job. I hope there's no traces.
Not at all, Your Majesty. Trust me.
That's my boy. Nice job here. You can go enjoy. Call you when I need you.
Your sins can be covered forever. Forever. Your evil can be covered forever. Forever.
Now, the marriage can commence.
Can be covered forever. This year wickedness can be covered forever. If I believe it, the secret you hide today, what's your life tomorrow? No is for the wicked.
Madam, what is your problem now, eh? Why are you disturbing the peace of this palace? Or do you want me to invoke the god and the ancestors of this palace?
I want to see the queen. Open this gate. I want to see the queen.
No, why you temperature?
Open this gate. I want to see the queen.
You want to see the queen?
Yes.
Before I allow you to see the queen, you have to tell me who you are. Your father's name, your mother's name.
Do you think I'm here to joke with you?
I am not joking. I'm doing my work.
I am a native of this kingdom and I have every right to see the queen. Open this gate. I want to see the queen.
Madam, calm down now. Nobody is disputing the fact that you are a native of this kingdom. But you want me to just go and tell the queen mother? Oh, the queen mother. A native of this kingdom want to see you.
Okay.
Your name?
Go inside there. Tell the queen that the mother to her chef, Mama is here.
Oh.
Mama, yes. Mama.
Calm down. Calm your temperature.
Okay.
I will go.
Okay.
Calm down now, calm down.
Can I come with you?
No.
You.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who is at the gate?
Your Majesty is one woman. She says she be one man's mother, the chef.
What does she want?
Your Majesty, she says she want to see you.
For what?
I don't know.
I'm not in the mood to entertain any visitors. Tell her the queen sleeps and doesn't want to be disturbed.
The queen sleeps.
Nothing is hard for
Yes.
her to do.
The queen sleeps.
The queen sleeps. The
No
queen
one
sleeps.
crosses her leg and go just free like that. Oh, you must pay the enemy.
Madam, calm down now. You are making me emotional.
Stop. I want to go see the queen. I want to see the queen. I want to see the queen. I want to open the gates now. I want to see the queen.
You cannot see the queen.
Why?
The queen sleeps.
Sleeps?
Yes.
Onara.
Sleeps.
Huh. Okay, I am going to stay here and wait until she wakes up. I'm going to wait here. I'm going to sit down here and wait until she wakes up. Because if any of you thinks I'm going to leave this place without knowing where my daughter Mama is,
Madam, if you want to see the queen, just maintain that fact. Don't use format. Don't use format of your daughter. Eh? Who is holding your daughter here? Yesterday, your daughter left this place. Now you are using format because you want to see the queen. Don't use that format.
I want to see the queen. I want to see the queen. They are this boy. This security man in her source. I want to see the queen. Don't get yourself involved in what you don't know. Don't get yourself in this matter because this matter is bigger than you. Open this gate. I want to see.
Okay. Calm down. I will allow you to see the queen. I will open. Just stand like this. Calm down. Just turn.
Okay, turn.
Turn small. Face the other side. Look small. Look small now. I will now. Just obey my instruction now. Just look. Look. Bye-bye.
Mama, where are you now? Mama, where are you now? Please come back to your mother. Mama, where are you? Come back to your mother. It's only me. Mama, you left only me. Mama, where did you go to? Mama. Open this gate! Open this gate! Open this gate! Open this gate! I'll give me my daughter! Open this gate! Open this gate! I'll show me my daughter! Open this gate!
Madam, why are you disturbing the peace of this palace now?
Please, I want to see my daughter. Let me see the queen. She knows where my daughter is. I know she knows. She will tell me where my daughter is.
See, madam, let me tell you something. You see this place where I work? Now this place I dey carry take care of my 4 children where they village. So you know go spoil something for me.
My only daughter!
See, madam, the queen sleeps.
Open this gate! 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 Let man open this gate! Open this gate! Open this gate!
Selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel, Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel.
It's obvious the poor girl leaked her secret to her poor mother. She's at the gate now reporting, shouting. I do not want her to create a scene. Do you know what to do? I need you here right now. Good. Good.
She's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. She's more than a woman, a tyrant queen. Oh,
you must give me my child! Give me my child! Give me one mama! 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 Give me my daughter! Give me my daughter! Give me my daughter! Give me my daughter!
Why have you entered this?
I will not disturb the palace again. I'll go now. I'll go, please.
I said enter this.
Are you taking me to follow my English?
who did I offend? Oh, you can match your roommate. Oh, I'm not wrong with so much around.
Keep moving.
Please, I am not going to
to disturb the palace again. Please, my son, don't kill me. I won't disturb them again. Please, don't kill me, my son. Eh?
Keep moving.
Yes. Thanks, sir.
Keep moving. Target 2 is down, Your Majesty. I'm at your service.
Your sins can
Thank
be
you.
covered forever, forever.
We are done with the first part. The next part, which is celebration and coronation, will come in a month or two. Depending on how fast you are able to play the game, the ball.
I'm sorry, I'm lost. You may want to explain further.
Your Majesty, has he not been duly informed?
Well, I intend to inform him as soon as the first phase is completed.
Inform me about what?
Calm down, son. One step at a time.
Maybe I should just go ahead and tell you.
Oh, please, go ahead. I'm listening.
You see, according to our culture and ordinance, which transcend from generation to generation, before the prince will be crowned a king, to take over his father's position, his duly married wife must be put in a family will, so that we'll be sure that the prince and his wife are capable of producing an heir that will take over from there.
I don't get it. How? That my wife must get pregnant?
Exactly.
Before my coronation as the king?
That's it. Mother.
Yes. This has been from generation to generation. Ifejoko kingdom deters a barren queen. As a matter of fact, no barren woman can take the position of a queen in Ifejoko kingdom. Before a queen has been declared, it has been said that she will take in to ascertain that she is capable of giving the Ifejoko kingdom their next heir apparent to the throne. This has been from time immemorial.
Tuakodi.
Your late grandmother, the late queen before me, did it. I did it. And you, as a person, your wife, will do it. This is a tradition, Jidofo.
Why didn't anyone tell me this before now?
I was waiting for the right time to tell. And this is the right time.
What if my bride finds it difficult to conceive?
Why would you insinuate that?
I'm not insinuating that, mother. You're a woman, and you know what I'm talking about. Not all women conceive immediately after they get married. For some it takes years. If peradventure it goes that way, would I have to wait that long before I'm crowned king?
Why would she conceive now? Is there something I need to know?
I'm not saying she will conceive. I'm asking to know, just in case you experience delayed conception.
Stop asking stupid questions.
Mother, it is not a stupid question. I am asking so I know my stand.
Well, Jidenna Jidofu, your stand is no coronation. Your wife must be confirmed 1 or 2 months pregnant before the coronation. And the pregnancy will be confirmed by the chief priest, not even a doctor. The chief priest of Ifejoko kingdom has to confirm it.
all this is just too funny. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Yeah, funny.
Yeah, it is. I mean, how myopic can they be? In this modern age, what makes them believe that it's only the woman that has the problem? What about if the man is the one with the issue? Why would they be thinking like people in the 60s? That's crazy. Don't they reason?
Oh, I stand with you, girl. It's so funny. These old people and their archaic way of doing things. Maybe as the young ones, we should maybe, just maybe, start sensitizing them. So take a stand with the modern lifestyle instead of holding on to this very archaic way of doing things.
Exactly my point. Because all this they are saying makes no sense to me. At all. Someone has to get pregnant before the coronation can take place?
Oh, bad.
How would they be thinking like that? This is 21st century, baby. They should not even try that. They should wake up. Because all this, I'm really tired. I'm really, really tired. So what happens if the man is the problem here? What happens then?
It's okay, baby.
What rubbish.
Hey, sweetheart. You're taking this too far. You're ranting.
Innit?
Maybe it's time for me to show you that I got no problem. And you have no problem too. Okay? Let's get to work.
Get back to work and let's just make babies. And then get this coronation done, baby. I want to enjoy my love. Baby, I don't like this at all. Stop it.
Mother, you're here. I've been searching for you everywhere.
How is your wife and how was your first night with her?
Beautiful. And you?
Peaceful as ever. Sit.
Thank you, Mother.
So tell me, why were you looking for me?
Oh well, I have been pondering about what you guys told me yesterday. I think something is not just right with the ordinances.
May I know what is not right with it?
Mother, you will agree with me that this whole thing, I mean the ordinance and all that, were put in place where men were still in the dark age.
So?
Now that illumination is here and the light has come, I think it's time men put an end to all these things, you know?
Why are you so concerned about this? Is she not medically fit to give you an heir?
Mother, this is not particularly about her.
So?
I am speaking in general terms. Mother, we all know infertility do occur in men just like it is with women. But this is where the problem is. How do we ascertain the fact that the problem is with the man and not the woman when it occurs?
Jide, I believe that you can never be wiser than your ancestors. So, do not run more than your cheek.
That doesn't answer my question, Mother.
Okay, if you want me to elaborate it, listen. When the prince's wife, the first wife, is unable to get pregnant, within the 6 months of their marriage, she'll be sent away for the prince to take the second wife. If the second wife is unable to be pregnant, she'll also be sent away and the third one will come. And when a third wife is unable to be pregnant within 6 months, the prince's younger brother, the immediate younger brother, takes over the throne.
I see. And in the case where the prince doesn't have a brother, what then happens?
Well, the late king's immediate brother and his family takes over the mantle of leadership.
I see.
So if I were you, I'll get busy already. Any more questions? You had your breakfast?
I'm not hungry. I'm fine.
Sure?
Drink up, mother.
All right. Is the maid back?
Not yet, Her Majesty.
Not yet.
Yes, Her Majesty.
Listen.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Where are you headed?
Oh, I'm actually headed to the mall.
Okay.
Yes.
To do what?
I want to get some sanitary pad.
Sanitaries?
Yes.
Don't tell me you're still seeing your miserable flow.
I beg your pardon?
Didn't your husband informed you what is at stake?
Mom?
That's 2 months gone already.
Excuse me.
Now listen, on no account should any maid or guard leave this palace except I say so. Apart from their free days, am I right?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Now tell me when she returns. She may leave.
Thank you.
She's more than a woman. She's desperate, selfish woman.
Why are you crying?
Babe.
Can't you get your stuff today?
Babe, just leave me. Why is your mom treating me like this? Why is she making it look like something is wrong with me? Why? Why does she make it feel I have a problem? Why does she derive joy in embarrassing me at every given take? Why? Why is she doing that?
She did?
Yes, she did. Now listen, before coming down to Nigeria, I went for fertility test in the UK. And everything confirmed that I am fertile. I can bear children. I can be a mother. And I'm ready to undergo any test you want me whatsoever to prove my innocence. Let her know that I can bear children. I am tired. I am tired, baby. Why is she treating me like that? Why? Why? Why would she treat me like that? Why would she treat me like that? Why? Oh my God, just give me my own child.
You have no right to embarrass my wife, mother. You have no such right. She deserves our respect.
I only stated the obvious.
What do you mean the obvious?
What is she still doing with sanitary pads by this time? Don't you want to ascend your father's throne? Don't you?
What if it's I, your son, that has a problem?
Of course, my son is not the problem.
You can't be too sure,
You
mother.
are as sweet as you ought to be. I am 1,000,000 and over time % sure.
Mother, you can't be too sure. You are not God.
Can you just lower your voice?
You can only be sure when the medical test result comes out. Don't ask me to calm down.
Babe? Baby, what's the matter?
Nothing. I'm fine.
No, baby, you're not. Baby, you're not fine. Look, your countenance, your mood has changed. What did she tell you?
Nothing's happening. Like I said, I'm fine. Just get your stuff, okay?
You don't want to tell me, right? It's alright. You're keeping it away from me. Whatever, you can keep it. I don't give a damn. Excuse me. Very obvious you're supporting your mom now, right?
You beat a child, you tell her not to cry. What type of human being are you?
One man got pregnant from me.
Anything we do in this
And nobody told me.
always find its way back to us.
What?
Whether good or bad. He that fishes fire will full with ant. Invite lizard to come for fish. Your sins can be covered forever. Forever. Your evil can be covered forever. Forever. If our money better, it's your sins can be covered forever. Forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever. Forever. If our money better, it's the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for you.
Babe. Baby. Babe. Babe. Oh. It's not even morning. Why are you like this? Babe, you've been this way since morning. You still don't want to tell me what your mother told you to put you in this mood.
I'm fine. Nothing.
Nothing. Babe, did you just say nothing? How can you say nothing? I don't get this. Everyone is waiting for me to get pregnant so that the coronation can take place. Your mom, on the other hand, has been busy embarrassing me and rubbing it on my face like there is no tomorrow. You went to confront her on my behalf, you came back and you've been this way, and here you are telling me nothing. How can you tell me nothing? and tell me what the problem is. But you don't want to talk to me, right? You don't want to talk to me. It's alright. Fine. Keep sulking. Suck it all. When I'm tired, I will show you my true colors. Rubbish. Oh, nonsense. Lucy, he's hiding something from me. I'm very, very sure about this. But you know what? There is limit to how far I can take.
What if he was being honest when he said, whatever it is that caused his mood swing had nothing to do with you?
What are you saying? Lucy, are you saying I don't know what I'm talking about? Or what I observed?
No, I am just asking.
Okay, fine. I think I need to break it down for you to understand. He went to confront his mother on my behalf. How she has been embarrassing me in this palace. He came back with a swollen face. He was looking so sad, like you could see like he was boiling. And you want to tell me that whatever that is making him feel that way has nothing to do with me? Come on, I'm not a baby. I can read your handwriting on the wall.
Now that's fine. I get. But is there anything on your mind?
Yes. I feel she told him I'm not fertile to bear children. Yes. I'm very sure she wants him to kick me out of this place so he could get another woman.
Baby, nah, you are going too far.
I'm not. Lucy, the truth of this matter is not far-fetched. Can't you see it?
You might be right.
I'm very right. I'm very sure he doesn't have the nerves to have this conversation with me. That is why he's keeping it away from me. But you know what? I won't sit down here and watch them ridicule me. I will not. I will take the bull by the horn. I won't let them ridicule me. That's on period.
Babe, I understand exactly how this feels. But I need you to take it easy, babe.
Lucy, this is not what I planned for my life. This is not. I'm so upset. This is sickening.
I know. You're going to be fine. Trust me.
Now you listen to me. It's obvious you don't want to tell me what has been eating you up. Fine, it's alright. I won't bother you to tell me anything about it again. But listen to me. We will be going to see doctors. Not just one, not just two, not just three, but 4 different doctors. Yes, you heard me. Not just one, not just two, not just 3, but 4. Yes, we have to go and conduct fertility tests to know the reason we haven't been able to bear children for the past 2 months. Oh, 2 months. Not even 2 years. And all hell is let loose? Oh my God. Now listen to me. I understand you need to ascend your father's throne. No problem. When we go to the hospital and we discover that I am not fertile to bear you children, no problem. I will go back to the UK. I will quit this marriage, you heard me, to start getting ready. Baby,
Yeah?
what do you have to say?
What would you have to say?
Baby, 4 doctors confirmed that we're fit to bear children. So what could be the problem?
Are you expecting an answer from me?
Of course. Baby, your mom makes it look as if I am the one with the problem. She makes me feel like I am a barren woman. I can bear children.
Babe, can we please put this matter to rest at least for now?
Any?
Yeah. Now let's talk about it later. Alright?
How did it go?
All 4 doctors confirmed there's nothing wrong with us. They said we're medically sound to have as many children as we want.
So?
Even before coming down to Nigeria, I had already gone for fertility tests. And all the lab confirmed that I am fertile to bear children. I'm just very confused why I'm unable to conceive. I don't know. Just can't place it. Babe, is my words not making sense?
It's okay, my love. You only know a part. If you know everything, you understand the Queen's plight.
Babe, make me understand. Make me know all. I'm confused.
Maybe we're moving too fast. Yeah. Maybe, just maybe our quest to ascend the throne is making us feel we've been 10 years in marriage without a child. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it gradually, step by step. We're just 2 months in marriage. Just 2 months.
Whatever.
That's all you have to say? Whatever? I just want to apologize. Apologize for all that has happened. Apologize over my silence, my mother, and everything. I don't know how to say this though, but I just want to let you know that I believe in you, that I love you so much, and nothing has changed, despite all this drama. You see, I hold you right here, in the depth of my heart. I'm sorry for everything, okay? See, I promise you, I'm so optimistic. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna work out fine. Okay? So just try these tears, okay? I'm here for you. I'll stand by you. We're gonna work this out together. You don't know how much you mean to me. You mean so much to me. I promise you this day. I love you, babe. Wakey, wakey. Still sleeping?
Oh, babe.
Yes, honey.
Baby.
Yes, babe. That's my girl. Still feeling sleepy?
Baby, you don't know what you did to me last night.
What did I do to you last night? What did I do? Tell me.
You know how my night was, you know. You made me feel like a woman, baby.
For real?
Yeah, you did.
You can say that again.
Baby.
Yes, honey.
I'm married to the right man, you know.
You can say that again.
So handsome.
Mm-hmm.
I know. Very tall, intelligent. And then you're good in the other room.
Oh, baby, you're making me blush now. I'm blushing.
That's true. Baby.
Yes, my love.
I want to propose something.
What is it?
Baby, I want us to embark on a month back-to-back baby making agenda.
Maybe we just make it 2 months.
Any? That's if 1 month doesn't work out, then we can make it 2 months. Come to work, baby. Bad man. Baby. Oh.
Go get me the prince bride. Tell her to come see me right away.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come in.
Greetings, my princess.
Yeah.
The queen requests your presence at the palace garden urgently.
Oh, tell her I'm not coming now.
Okay, my princess.
Yeah.
Mother, please do you...
What are you doing? Why are you walking around the palace naked? Have you forgotten who you are? What are you wearing?
Mother, come on. I'm not walking around the palace naked.
You are.
I'm not. Look at it.
Oh my.
It's all good. I was actually busy upstairs and I thought about coming here to ask you for some energy drink. The same you gave to me when I was really tired the other time. Do you still have some left?
Your Majesty. She says she can't come now.
She what?
She can't come now, Your Majesty.
What are you talking about?
Your wife. I sent her to go get Jen, and Jen told her to tell me that she can't come now. What effrontery!
Oh, Mother, come on. You can't be so serious about this. She has a strong reason for that.
What stupid strong reason could she have?
Oh, it's my fault.
What reason could make her not to come answer me? What reason could be more important than to answer the call of the Queen Mother of Ife Jaku Kingdom?
Hey, Mother, come on. Just calm down, okay? Alright, it's my fault. I didn't tell you.
About?
Yeah, we just finished making out. And the doctor advised you relax in bed at least an hour after we finish meeting. Yes. So keep the semen intact. So, Mother, she's not being rude, okay? Take it easy.
Oh, God. It's alright, the energy drink is in my chambers, under the reading table. You can take a full pack. You need it.
Sure, Mom.
Or if need be, tell them to make you oat with milk or yogurt.
That's my mother.
Selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel. Queen Jezebel.
Yes, honey.
I'm suspecting something.
Really? What is it?
I think I'm pregnant. Yeah.
Oh my God. For real?
Yeah, baby. Don't celebrate yet. First thing tomorrow morning, I will use a urine test tube to check it. Then we can celebrate.
You haven't checked yet?
No.
What makes you think you're pregnant?
Baby, you know, my period was supposed to start 4 days ago. But here we are. It seems like everything has changed. And my menstrual cycle doesn't change like that.
Wow. Just hold on a second. Just confirm you're pregnant. Okay? Leave the rest for me. See, what I'm going to do to you, man, I swear.
Baby, I believe God will do it. Yeah.
Yes.
Don't you believe?
Of course I do.
I know. Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me?
Hey, why are you crying?
Maybe.
What is it?
Baby, I was about urinating.
Okay.
I found out that my menstrual flow has started.
Oh, shit.
Baby, what have I done wrong? Who have I offended? Why is God punishing? Why is God punishing? Why is my own different? Who have I wronged to deserve this?
It's okay.
Baby, who have I wronged?
It's okay, stop crying.
Baby, this is not what I planned for myself.
Crying will not solve anything. Stop crying. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without
Doctor.
sympathy.
Another 2 months have elapsed. Still no show. No sign. For the past 2 months, neither of us have left the house. I made sure. My wife and I have been on couples duty. Baby making assignments. To no avail. Apart from a menstrual flow, nothing else. I mean, nothing else happened. But you told me, doctor. You said we were good to go. You said there's nothing wrong with us. Doctor, please. What could be the problem? Which other way, means can we devise, please? Tell me.
She's more than a woman.
What I'm about to say now is not professional at all. And I think I will have to still say it. At this point, I suggest we go spiritual.
Spiritual?
Yes. You know, considering your background and also considering what is at stake here, there could be some spiritual elements who don't want you to ascend your late father's throne. And until you find out who they are and what they represent, you'll be making wasted efforts.
Spiritual.
If it is not spiritual, I see no reason your wife won't be able to conceive. If it is not spiritual, I don't see any reason you can't get her pregnant.
Spiritual. Spiritual. The only element that can be fighting me from ascending the throne is my rape case. Maybe I need to call Wama and apologize to her. Yes, I need to call her and beg for her forgiveness.
Your sins can be covered forever. Forever. Your evil can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe it, your sins can be covered forever. Forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever, forever. If I believe it, you see you can't get the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked. One day your sins will find you. Chidagi Pochiko, it may take time, but it must surely come to pass. It may take time, but it must surely come to pass.
Babe, you can't remain in this mood for the rest of your life. Please cheer up, okay?
What did the doctor say?
He's as confused as I am. He's suggesting that this has to do with spiritual problem.
Spiritual what? Babe? Do you believe in that stuff?
As it is right now, I don't even know what to believe anymore. I'll speak to my mother. She has an explanation to make.
Really?
Yes. I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Despair, frustration, hopelessness. That is all I see on that face.
You didn't take a good look, Mother.
You're angry with me.
I need answers. I need to hear the truth.
About?
Your chef that I got pregnant. Where is she? How did the abortion go? I need answers, Mother!
I wouldn't know her whereabouts. As for the abortion, it went successful.
I need to see her. I need to apologize to her. Face to face. I am sure she's the reason for this mess we're going through.
Come on, son. That's not necessary.
It is necessary, Mother! I got her pregnant! I raped her! I got her pregnant! You made her abort the baby against her wish! According to what you told me. I am sure you know her whereabouts, Mother. Where is she?
Lower your voice. The walls have ears. Itulugunte.
Where is she?
I have no idea.
Your voice.
I wanted to...
Now what exactly are you hiding from me?
Oh, come on. Forget about that for now. I promise you, when the time is right, I'll tell you.
Really?
Sure.
Any? I see.
Let me change.
this is so fresh. You like the soup, right?
Yes, I do. It's cool.
The new chef is something else. She's something. What's her name? The Ifebu chef. Come on.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, she's very good.
Mother,
Yes, dear.
you can't tell me you don't know her whereabouts.
Who's whereabouts?
You know what I'm talking about. You know. You can't tell me you don't know where she is.
Chidofo, are you trying to force me to accept what I don't know?
I'm not forcing you, Mother. I am not. She has worked for you for so many years. And there is no maid in this palace that you don't know their homes. So do not deny the fact that you don't know her whereabouts.
Well, I don't know.
Mother, look me in the eyes and tell me you don't know what I'm talking about.
So when is it going to be the right time for you to tell me about it?
About what?
The maid you raped and got pregnant.
What are you talking about?
Wakey wakey. Here we go.
I got her pregnant. I raped her. I got her pregnant. You made her abort the baby against her wish. I am sure you know her whereabouts, mother.
Just stop. Where did you get that? Where?
Babe?
Yes.
Baby?
Who's that? Yes.
Please wait. There's something on your lips. I need to clean it off.
My lips?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll get something to wipe it. Okay? Babe, don't worry. Yeah.
What's on my lips?
Something. Yeah, let me dress you now.
You good now?
Yeah, baby, hold on. Tell me. This is not really okay.
Oh my God, I kind of slack. Okay.
Hey, babe. I think this is about to go off.
Yes. All right.
Oh.
This is my prince.
Yes.
Food is served.
Okay, no problem. Coming down.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you. Babe, shall we?
I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your chef, that I got pregnant. Where is she? How did the abortion go? I need answers, mother!
I wouldn't know her whereabouts. As for the abortion, it went successful.
I need to see her. I need to apologize to her. Face to face. I am sure she's the reason for this mess we're going through.
Come on, son. That's not necessary.
It is necessary, mother! I got her pregnant! I raped her! I got her pregnant! You made her abort the baby against her wish!
Now listen, hand that over to me. Because you don't have any right to eavesdrop on my conversation with my son. Hand it over.
In your wildest dream, Mom. Oh, in your wildest dream, Queen. Oh, you think I, Jane, will hand over this evidence to you? You must be joking. No, you must be daydreaming. I, Jane, will never hand this over to you because this is an evidence that proves him to be a rapist. And you know what? I will never have anything to do with a rapist. This marriage is over. Over and done with.
You don't know what I am capable of doing, do you?
You can do anything, you heard me? You don't know me to. And now listen. Get ready. Because the law will take its course. You heard me. Excuse me.
Baby, please. Baby, come.
Rubbish! Rubbish.
Babe, please. I can explain, okay? The fact is, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, okay?
I'm listening. Yeah. Bring it on.
I didn't know she committed abortion. I didn't know. As a matter of fact, I was under the influence of alcohol. I was so excited the other time when you accepted my marriage proposal, so I was so happy to the extent I drank to stupor. I'm sorry.
Did you or did you not rape her?
I was under the influence of alcohol.
That doesn't answer my question. Did you or did you not rape her?
I did.
You see? You are a rapist. I will never have anything to do with a rapist. This relationship, whatever we share, it's over. Did you hear me? Take this.
Baby, it hasn't come to this.
I'm done packing my things. I am going there to take my bag and leave this place. You disgust me.
Baby, please.
That's what happened.
Don't you dare.
Please, I'm begging you, okay? Honey, we can talk this over, okay? I'm sorry. Baby, please. Baby.
Don't you dare. Jidofo, don't try it. Jidofo.
Can I talk to you?
Take your hands off my box now.
I'll do that, okay? Right away.
Take your hands out of my box now. Did you hear me?
I heard you right. Can I talk to you at least?
There is nothing I am going to listen to you because you and your mom, nothing but liars. Liars! You deceived me.
Babe, don't do this now. You know about yourself now.
Let us go. What's your problem? I am warning you, don't test my patience. I am going to unleash my anger on you. Stay away from me. Just stay away.
I have the problem with that, okay? Can I just have a word with you?
Leave me the hell alone! What's the problem? Jidofo, what's your problem? I'm asking you. You deceived me. Your mom deceived me. How could you?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're sorry? You think sorry can heal everything. That's what you think. I hate you. I am disgusted. You disgust me. Your mom also disgusts me.
Can I have a word with you at least?
Oh, really?
Please.
Chidofo, you want to have a word with me? So now you want to talk. You want to talk,
yes,
right?
Please.
Talk. Leave my box alone. Leave my... Take this box inside. And you open the damn gate. And stop. Open that gate and you're looking at me. Why are you mopping like a moron? Open the damn gate.
Honey?
Staring at me like a fool.
Can you...
Don't you dare. Don't try it.
We can talk this over.
Chidofo, don't try me. Don't try me.
Why are you acting...
Get this guy out of this place. I'm disgusted.
Oh, fuck.
Your sins can be covered forever. This your sins can be covered forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever. If I believe it, the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow.
Hey, bro,
Honestly, Lucy, oh my God, I've even forwarded the audio clip to you. Yes, I'm on my way to the hotel now. You can come and meet me there. All right. Okay. Yeah, my dear. What is driving? There's a guy with a gun. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right. That's very good of you. I trust you. I trust you so much. You've just done a wonderful and marvelous work. Listen. Destroy that nonsense. Yes.
Selfish woman, a woman.
Let me see. Let me see who will take away this throne from my hands.
We just met. Heartless, we just met. Heartless.
Peace. I need my peace.
No, mother, you can't walk out on me like that.
I need my peace.
You can't walk out on me like that, mother. No, I need answers.
I don't have answers to seek.
Lies! Mother, you can't tell me my wife who was shot yesterday by an unknown gunman was a coincidence. Why did you do that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about, mother?
Don't get on my neck.
Oh no, mother, speak!
Are you alright?
You know what I'm talking about!
I don't know what you're talking about. Stop getting on my nerves.
Officers, that's the Jezebel and her son. Get them arrested.
Woman, you and your son are under arrest for the offense of rape of one Miss One Man and the murder of one Mrs. Jane, who happened to be your daughter-in-law to you. She was murdered yesterday.
They want arrested. I'm arrested. Not kidding now.
For your own good, I advise you remain silent, for whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Will you shut your mouth up? Are you alright? You must be stupid to have said that to me. Do you know where you walked in? Are you going nuts? Don't force me to make call. Now get out.
Police.
Woman, do you want to resist arrest? For if you do, I will be left with no option than to use force on you.
Who is there? Get my phone.
There will be no need for that, mother.
What?
We're guilty.
You and who?
Arrest us.
Nkinonya. You and who?
Mother, you and I are guilty for the crimes you committed. Arrest us, officer.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about, and I am not going anywhere with anybody. In fact, I am going to make a call.
Come back here! Officer, move them away!
Hey, my friend.
Calm down.
You are under arrest.
Move!
Move
them!
Move!
You have to calm down.
You move!
I'll give you opportunity.
Shut your mouth.
Hey, move! Madam, move!
Oh, but that's serious. You never knew. They say they key. Who they call kill this thing?
Doing blessing, why they come arrest them?
The secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked. Talk, one day you'll see.
Your Majesty, I am here already. Okay, you're coming. Please hurry. Yeah, thank you.
If you move, I move you.
Drop the car.
Move it.
Get into the car.
Move it. Bundle it.
Get into the car.
Watch it very well. You're hardy criminal.
Elders of our land, what do we do now?
As it stands now, we are helpless in this matter.
Of course. What do we do at this point? What do we do? I don't know. We just need to start anyhow and make sure we come up with something. Because the entire kingdom is depending on us to save this dying kingdom.
Yeah, you are correct.
Oh no. The chief priest.
You are welcome.
You are welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome. You just came at the right time.
Oh, is you?
Honest. You are welcome.
It is only foolishness that makes one think that the silence of the gods is a sign of weakness. The snail in the fire thinks that is quenching the fire with its saliva, not knowing that it's only roasting at itself to death. An old woman that was handed over a baby to take care of, all of a sudden started complaining of not having teeth. Was that baby handed over to her to devour?
Mban. Abomination.
Mban. But the wise one, you've spoken enough to us in riddles. Yeah? Please, can you speak to us in plain language that we will all understand? Please.
The heir apparent to the throne lives. He lives far away from here. Until you get him. Until you bring him back, nobody ascends the throne of Ifejoku kingdom. There will be no peace. I repeat, there will be no peace until he is back.
Elders, me, I just don't get it. At all. I just don't get it. I don't know. What do we do now? What was he talking about? I don't understand.
The heir apparent leaves?
Where? Oh, how?
Please. I think we should call him back. Let him come and explain to us or tell us what to do.
No. It's only a fool that a parable is being interpreted for. It's not to make the findings on already revealed truth.
So,
yes.
Elders, how do we make the findings?
This is where Omale, the blind seer, comes in. To visit him.
Omale, the blind seer. Please, Tell us everything you see. Everything. Tell us.
Mama, the palace chef. She was molested and abused by the prince. The helpless girl had no one to run to. Oh no. Ndichie.
Omali, we're listening.
Look into the water of purity and see for yourself.
Hey, my prince. Shh. You're touching delicate part of my body, please. My prince, this is not you. My prince. My prince.
Listen to me. Huh? You have everything that the prince wants. You know what I'm talking about.
My prince. Shh. My prince, please. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. Jesus.
What is going on here? And why are you crying?
Ugo came to me and said that you asked I serve the prince dinner. When I brought it, he said he's not interested. I wanted to take it and go. He grabbed me and forcefully raped me.
Listen, on no account would you tell anyone that my son raped you. Because of the rape, a lab result confirmed that you are a few weeks pregnant for my son.
Jesus! If one more.
This is a royal blood, and it can never be raised out of the palace. You're not royalty. You're just a chef that came from the quarters. And my son cannot settle for you. I don't want the bride to hear anything about this rape. I wouldn't want a situation whereby my son will be labeled a rapist. So I want you to terminate the pregnancy.
Your Majesty.
I want to see the queen. Open this gate. I want to see the queen. No, why you separate? Open this gate. I want to see the queen. You want to see the queen? Yes. Before I allow you to see the queen, you have to tell me who you are. Your father's name, your mother's name. I'm here to joke with you. I am not joking. I'm doing my work. I am a native of this kingdom and I have every right to see the queen. Open this gate. I want to see the queen. Madam, calm down now. Nobody is disputing the fact that you are a native of this kingdom. But you want me to just go and tell the queen mother? Oh, the queen mother. A native of this kingdom want to see you. Okay. Your name? Go inside there. Tell the queen that the mother to her chef, Wamba, is here. Oh. Mama Wamba, yes. Mama Wamba. Calm down. Please, I am not going to disturb the palace again. Please, my son, don't kill me. I won't disturb them again. Please, don't kill me, my son.
Keep moving. Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Keep moving.
Child, this is evil. This is evil. Arukoma. Please. Omali, you are the only person that can help us now.
Yes.
No one else. Bikon, tell us where we can find our daughter. Eh? We want to know, is she still alive? Eh? Can we even ever see her again? Please, tell us.
Oh no.
Huh?
Look again.
Eh? Look again.
Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody please help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Help!
Like, scream from now to eternity. Nobody will hear your voice. No one will come to rescue you.
God please! God please! Oh! God please! God please! Oh! God! Please! Please! I beg you in the name of God! Please! Please!
Shut up.
Please! Please don't do this to a pregnant woman, please! For the sake of my unborn child! I beg you in the name of God!
What did you just say?
I am pregnant for the prince. He raped me. He raped me. That's why the queen wants me dead at all costs. Because please, I've not done anything. Please, I am begging you.
Irijo bajo, uzo sina ni sigafe. Ta, iba guru ka na-eme. Ka na-eme ka na-ekwu. Okechi ududu. Ududu wopo. Aha! Oro no mme. Oro no mme. Chaka ududu. Chaka ududu. Chaka ududu. You must wear this on all your operations for protection. You shall not die in any operation as long as this is on your neck. You shall be successful in all operations. But in all your killings, make sure you do not kill a woman with the baby. Yes, because if you kill a pregnant woman, the blood of the unborn baby shall rise against you and hunt you down. Go! Go! Go!
Please spare my life. I beg you in the name of our God. Please, please, don't kill me.
Are you sure you're not lying to me?
I swear with the gods of our land, I am not lying. I am saying the truth. May the gods swear me witness. May the gods swear me witness. Please.
Your Majesty. All right. I'll be there soon.
Please.
Now listen to me.
Please.
Listen to me.
Okay, sir.
This bush is the boundary between Ifejioku and Omodara. The queen just called me now that your mother is creating nuisance in the palace. And I am going there now to pick her up. Today will be her last day on earth.
Hey, please don't kill my mother. Sorry.
Shut up.
Sorry.
The reason I'm sparing you is because of this baby in your womb.
Thank you.
Shut up. Now, if I release you now, I want you to take this direction. Run into the deep bush. You will see a river. Once you cross that river, find a way and survive there. Are you hearing me? Survive there and never you return to this land. Because I've already told the queen that you are dead and buried. And dead people don't show themselves to people that know them.
Thank you. That is what my mother and I were about doing.
Shut up.
Sorry, I will not come back.
Shut up.
Thank you. Thank you. God will bless you. You will never know sorrow. God will bless you.
I said shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Who did I offend? Oh, you come back, you roommate, oh, I'm not wrong. So much
Shut up.
I show loyalty to Makana wero nyege furu Kije memi fa Because somewhere on
Run.
furu Kije memi fa
This is how they are going to kill me. Mama, what have we done? What have we done to deserve this, Mama? Is this how you're going to leave me? Jesus. My son, my cute son. It's just me and you in this whole world, in the middle of nowhere. No mother, no father, no brother, no sister. It's just you and I. But you complete me. I thank the gods for bringing you my way. You are my precious gift, and I will treasure you always. You're all I have.
That is the heir apparent to your throne, being taken care of in abject poverty and penury.
Heart of a man is desperately wicked.
Very, very wicked. Thank you, Amali. We appreciate. Elders, the ball is now in our court.
Yes.
We must do something.
We must do something.
Yes, I'm the one. I'm the one. Please, 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 please. You see, I have come with the elders of Ifijaku Kingdom.
To do what?
We have come to take you home.
we have come to take you out of this stretch. Yes. In fact, we have come to take you to the palace where you belong. That's why we are here. Please.
Please. Forgive and forget, please.
My daughter. My daughter. You see, as we speak now, the queen and the prince are in the police custody.
Yes.
They are facing rape and murder charges with enough evidence to nail them to the wall. Yes. So they can't get out of it. They can never get out of it. It was the chief priest that told us that you are here and that you are alive. That you are with the heir apparent to the throne of Ejoku Kingdom. That is why we have come. My daughter, please. Temper justice with mercy. We beg you. Temper justice with mercy. Have mercy on our kingdom. You are the only person that can save our dying kingdom. Please. Please.
Forgive and forget.
Forgive and forget. Temper justice with mercy. We beg you.
Somewhere on your gate,
Madam, please, let's go inside.
All is allowed.
Oh! You are all happy, right? You are all happy.
The table of Mama has done. The table of Mama has done to our favor. Her Majesty Mama, I am sorry for everything I do to you. I am happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
The purification ritual shall be done. The marriage rites shall be paid fully. She be crowned the queen mother of this kingdom, who will oversee the affairs of this kingdom until her son gets to the age of getting a wife for himself. Then he will ascend the throne of his fathers.
But she is from Osu kindred, as you are meant to understand. She's from Omo's community.
So, then we don't have any option than to abolish the Osu system.
Exactly. I agree with you.
Chief Priest, by the powers vested on me as the Onu of this great kingdom, from now, everybody from Umosu henceforth becomes a free citizen. Yes, and they are now free to intermarry and interrelate with every other freeborn of Ife-Joku Kingdom. It's time to do the needful. Okay? Go ahead.
go ahead. Yes. I should go ahead. My elders, everyone, by the powers vested on me as the Onu of this great Ifejioku kingdom, I present to you our new queen, the queen of Ifejioku kingdom. Long live the Queen!
Long live the Queen!
Long live the Queen!
Long live the
Long live the Queen!
Queen! Long live the Queen! She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel, Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen Jezebel, heartless Queen.